Let's dive into the reasons why most faceless YouTube channels struggle and how you can stand out in the successful minority. What is a faceless YouTube channel? Faceless YouTube channels are simply channels that operate without showing the creator's face. They focus on content without personal branding, but this doesn't mean they're easy to run. The reality of faceless YouTube channels. Many newcomers mistakenly believe that faceless YouTube channels are a quick path to wealth. This misconception is fueled by countless videos promising rapid success. The truth? Success requires hard work and dedication. Common misconceptions. Outsourcing everything. Many suggest hiring freelancers for scriptwriting, voiceovers, editing, and thumbnails, claiming you'll quickly earn $10,000 per month. While this is possible, it's not as simple as it sounds. Unrealistic expectations. Expecting to post a few low-quality videos and instantly make money is a recipe for failure. Treating faceless channels like a business. To succeed, treat your faceless channel like a legitimate business. You have two choices. Invest time. Handle all aspects of video creation yourself. Outsource wisely. Spend money on outsourcing, but know that this approach can be costly. Simply hiring freelancers for cheap won't lead to success. Building a faceless channel requires as much effort as any other channel. Understanding the algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is challenging. For instance, it took Mr. Beast 4 years to reach 1,000 subscribers. It took us nearly 20 videos and $800 before seeing our first earnings. Expect to invest time and money before becoming profitable, often around 6 to 8 months. The pitfalls of outsourcing. Many fail because they try to outsource every aspect from the start without understanding YouTube's mechanics. Understanding YouTube monetization. To monetize, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million short views. Producing 10 10-minute videos requires significant views to reach monetization eligibility. Outsourcing can cost $1,000 to $1,500 just to create enough content to potentially earn your first dollar. Benefits of doing it yourself. Creating your own videos helps you learn the platform and understand analytics, which are crucial for success. Knowing your audience and what works will guide your decisions when you eventually outsource. Transitioning to outsourcing. Once you're monetized and understand YouTube analytics, you can begin outsourcing. This includes hiring scriptwriters, voiceover artists, video editors, graphic designers. Quality matters. High-quality videos attract viewers, subscribers, and revenue. Gradual transition to automation. You don't need to outsource everything at once. Start small, gradually moving towards automation. The goal is to generate income without overspending. The importance of diverse revenue streams. A major reason for failure is relying solely on AdSense. Many quit after a few videos because they don't see immediate returns. However, you can start earning from your first video through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Promote products in your videos using unique affiliate links. For example, if you review a tech product with a 20% commission and one viewer makes a purchase, you could earn $100 from just one video. To find affiliate opportunities, explore networks like ClickBank or visit product websites to sign up as an affiliate. Setting expectations. Success in faceless YouTube channels takes time, effort, and a strategic approach to monetization. By understanding the realities and diversifying your income streams, you can ensure your channel joins the ranks of the successful 1%. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.